Welcome to How to Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing how to change your engine oil in a Can-Am Maverick X3, and also do some other maintenance that I like to do during every oil change. You're going to want to start the engine and get it warm. Raise up the vehicle to get off the ground, or you can roll underneath of it. From the back side of the machine, the oil drain plug is located on the fourth row from the back. There are two drain plugs to remove. There's the smaller 10mm bolt on the left-hand side, or a Torx, and then on the right-hand side there's the large magnetic drain plug. You're going to want to use a wall bolt extension to remove the drain plugs. Removing these oil drain plugs makes a mess without some specialty oil funnels. In the link below, I have options for you to purchase of different types of funnels or drain valves that are specifically designed for this application. So right now we're draining out the small oil drain plug. After that gets done draining, we're going to use a 17mm socket and then remove the larger magnetic drain plug. This is where it makes a big mess. This is why you want to pick up one of those specialty oil funnels or a quick drain valve. In the link below, I'll have this oil change kit. Remove the old washer. And then now we're going to clean all the metal shavings out of the magnetic oil drain plug. After you got that clean, we're going to remove the other washer from the other bolt. The oil change kit comes with everything you need: an engine oil filter, the O-rings, and the new washers, as well as 4 quarts of engine oil. The O-ring is used for the engine oil filter, and then install the new smash washers onto the oil plugs. The torque specs for the oil plugs is 22 foot-pounds for the large plug and 18 foot-pounds for the small plug. On the back right-hand side of the machine, we're going to remove the engine oil filter. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 3 bolts. And then pop off the cap. Remove the old filter. Remove the old O-ring from the cap, and then we're going to install the new engine oil filter. This is a 956-123 Rotax engine oil filter. Install the new O-ring, and then this notch faces the back left side of the engine. Tighten down the bolts to 90 inch-pounds, or 7.5 foot-pounds. Next, we're going to use a 17mm socket and check the rear transmission oil level. This one's been recently changed, so I will not be showing you how to change the oil. Now we're going to fill the engine with oil. The engine oil fill port is located on the left-hand side of the machine. To make it easier to fill, I'm going to remove this air intake boot. And then push it over to the side to make more room. Now I have a lot more access to fill with oil. This is also where the oil dipstick is. The engine oil capacity is 3.5 quarts. I like to start with 3 and then work my way up from there. To properly check the engine oil level, you need to start up the machine, let it run for 30 seconds, shut it off, and go back and check the oil level. And then from there, keep adding your engine oil to get to the proper level. And then don't forget to reinstall the boot. I'm going to change out the engine air filter. It's also located on the left-hand side of the machine. There are 4 clips to remove to pop off the cover. As you can see, this one is definitely needing a new engine air filter. The new engine air filter is a 71-59-00422. Make sure you get the air filter seated properly before you install the cover. Next, we're going to blow out and inspect the clutches and the belt. Remove all the 8mm bolts holding the clutch cover on. And then the air intake boot. Get some compressed air and we'll blow out the clutches. And if you want a very high quality air nozzle, check out this one from Sunex Tools. I have a link in the description below for it. This thing has so much more power than any other nozzle I've ever used. This will help keep your clutches running smoothly and the longevity of the clutches themselves. After everything is blown out completely, do a visual inspection on everything. You're going to want to look at the clutches and rollers as well as the belt. Reinstall the clutch cover, and you want to go about 50 inch-pounds or snug with the bolts. I'm also going to rotate the tires. The rears are at 12 30 seconds, and the fronts are at 16 30 seconds. When I rotate tires, I like to rotate them in an X pattern. We're going to take the right rear tire and put it to the left front tire, and then take the left front and put it to the right rear. And then same thing goes with the other side. Torque the lug nuts to 75 foot-pounds. Now we're going to clean out the pre-air filter. Lift up and pull outwards to remove the cover, and then lift up on the latch and pull out. Blow out the filter and then take it to the sink and wash it out. To reinstall, you're going to push in and down. This is also a good time to check your coolant level. And then reinstall the top cover. You're going to push in and then straight down. And the final thing we're going to do is we're going to go around and grease all the bushings. There's 2 grease zerks on the rear of the machine. And on the front of the machine, we're going to grease the A-arms. And the sway bar linkage. Lower the machine back onto the ground and you're ready to ride. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.